my bus. It's a great little story, and now we're going to play a game. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes, great. Okay. Now, remember what animals went on each vehicle, okay? Remember. Okay, so the animals have to get on the bus. Everyone, okay, get on the bus.
Get on the bus.
Good. Who gets on the bus?
Gets on the bus.
Who gets on the bus? Andrea.
I have one cat.
One cat.
And 2 dogs.
Okay, so
One cat,
two
dogs.
Get on the bus.
One cat, 2 dogs get on the bus.
Okay, go. Good. Ellie, who gets on the bus?
Who gets on the bus?
Yes.
I have
Have
2 cats and 1 dog.
one dog. Okay,
Yes.
so
1 dog,
dog and
2 cats get on the bus.
excellent, Ellie. Go ahead. Lucy,
Yes.
who gets on the bus? Everyone, who gets on the bus?
I have 2 cats
Okay.
and 1 dog.
Ah, good. Okay, so
2 cats,
two cats
and 1 dog get on the bus.
Go for it, Lucy. Go. Ooh, that bus is really full, huh? Good job. Okay. Excellent. Okay, so now everyone, the bus is going to take off. So, ready? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Oh, stop! Look! There's a
Boat.
excellent, there's a boat. And 2 cats and 1 dog want to get on the boat. Everyone. 2 cats and 1 dog want to get on the boat.
On the boat.
On the boat, yes,
sorry.
Andrea. Who can do that? Who can put the 2 cats and the 1 dog? Andrea, go ahead. So, everyone. 2 cats and 1 dog get on the boat. Excellent. Okay, so now we're on the boat, everyone. The bus continues. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Stop! I see a train. I see a train. Who gets on the train?
Gets on the train.
Who gets on the train?
Who gets on the train?
2 dogs. Remember, 2 dogs. 2 dogs and 1 cat.
And 1 cat
Get on the train.
get on the train.
So who can do that? Ellie, Lucy? Lucy, good. Okay, so Lucy, 2
cats and 1
dog. Get on the train. Go ahead. 2 cats and 1 dog. Excellent. 1 cat, 2 cats, and 1. Everyone, 1
1
dog.
dog.
Okay, and the bus is going to start again. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Good. Look, everyone, look up, look up.
Look up.
There's a plane, everyone. A plane. Who gets on the plane?
Gets on the plane.
What do you think? Who gets on the plane? Ellie.
1 who gets on the plane, 1 cat and 2 dogs.
Oh, good try, Ellie, but it's not that.
Oh.
Try to remember. Who remembers from the story? Who gets on the plane? Who gets
on
the plane?
Let's see, Andrea. So it's not 1 cat, 2 dogs.
1 dog and 2 cats.
Excellent, high five,
On the
Andrea. So everyone,
One cat, two dogs, get on the plane.
Go ahead, Andrea, go ahead.
One cat. No, two cats.
Two cats and one dog.
Okay.
Okay, good job. And how many animals are left on the bus? How many animals are left on the bus? Let's count.
One,
Two.
animals.
Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Dogs? Everyone. Two dogs are on the bus. Good job. Excellent.